Hello everyone, you're welcome to this video. So for those that want to migrate abroad to settle, or you want to move abroad, for whatever reason you may have, right? Study is one of the easiest routes to make it abroad. Regardless of which country you want to go to, study is the easiest. So in this video, I want to show you schools you can apply to and get a scholarship. You school study for free. So this video is basically about how to study abroad for free. All right, so I'm going to be showing you the schools to apply and just all the details involved, the website, what is needed, if you need IELTS or not, just everything you need to apply to move on the study route and to do it without breaking the bank. So stick with me in this video where I'll be showing you everything. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe if you want to be seeing more videos like this. On this channel, I share information that's going to help you in your relocation journey, whether you want to move abroad for work or for study, or you just want to go live in a different country. I have information that is going to help you with this. So do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thanks for the support. I truly appreciate you. And if you want to talk to me personally, I have a one-on-one consultation, so you can send me an email so we can get to talk about your own personal needs. All right, so let's get straight into the video. So this school is so amazing. First of all, it's written here, there is no application fee, right? So it is completely free to apply to this school. So you have nothing to lose. Send in your application immediately. And I'm just going to show you, how to apply. Basically, this page is all about how to apply. So after this, we're going to go through scholarships, what the school is offering and stuff like that. So do stick with me in this video. So let's just look at how to apply first. So number one is the application, including the essay. Students may apply through the university, website and all. These are links to click. There is no application fee, right? Official secondary transcripts will also be submitted as well. And if your transcript is not in English, it needs to be accompanied by a certified English translation. And then proof of completion must also be provided in the form of a graduation date listed on the transcript. All right. And then you should submit your transcripts to this email address. Then e-transcript should be sent here. And then if you want to mail them, this is the mailing address as well. And then for proof of English proficiency, this is another very important information people are always so interested in. So for this school, if your native language is English, you are exempt from any proof of English proficiency. So this is for people whose native language is not English. So if your native language is not English, you are required to submit proof of English proficiency by submitting TOEFL, IELTS, PTE, DET, SAT, or ACT scores, right? So you have a lot of options you can do. And then financial documentation, you need to prove, you have to get a letter of financial support, that is if someone is sponsoring you or something like that, and a bank statement showing sufficient funds to cover the first year of study. All right. So people have asked me, okay, why do they need to provide this information? This school is not a free school. What they're offering is scholarship. So you still need to prove your financial means. Okay. And the scholarships as well may not cover everything. It may not cover, your living expenses and things like that. And then it's not even everybody that has access to the scholarship. It's a merit-based scholarship. Anyway, we'll get to that. I just wanted to explain why you see financial documentation here, because people have asked me that. So you need to send that to this email address right here. Okay. So let's just go ahead to see scholarships that are available here. Cost and scholarships. Yeah. So an affordable top education. So it's quite affordable to study here. And they have textbook scholarship, $4,000, and they have, students who visit campus or schedule a video chat with one of our admission counselors will receive our textbook scholarship worth $500 per semester, which is up to $4,000 total over 4 years. So yeah, so if you schedule a campus visit or a video chat, you're gonna get $500. So if I were you, I would go schedule a video chat. Okay, so these are scholarships. They have merit scholarships. Yeah, so let's look at that. The majority of international undergraduate students receive an international merit scholarship from the University of Dayton upon admission. Merit scholarships are worth up to $30,000 per year towards tuition costs. All students are automatically considered for a merit scholarship. When we receive your application and required documents, the university does not offer full tuition scholarships. It is not full, even though it's 30,000. It doesn't cover everything. We encourage you to review details on the application process. So there's a link here to click, so you can go through that to see more information about that. So there are other things you can look at here, payment plan, even how much is tuition and things like that. You can also go through all of that. So there's information about visa and financial documentation. There's information about English proficiency options. Okay, so let's take a quick look at that. So a minimum score of 30, in TOEFL, and IELTS is 6.0. So they just give like the band score for the English proficiency options and that. So exemptions, right? So let's see who is exempt from this. You are exempt from the English proficiency requirement if you have received a secondary school diploma from one of the following: the United States, an institution with instruction conducted in English, from Australia, Belize, English-speaking countries in the Caribbean, English-speaking provinces in Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, Nigeria, or the United Kingdom. So Nigeria is exempt from IELTS. It's listed here, Nigeria. All right. Unfortunately, Nigeria is the only African country listed here, but Nigeria is exempt from IELTS because the native language spoken in Nigeria is English. And then also applicants from Ghana are required to submit proof of English proficiency. So now you know you're exempt. Next up is visa and financial documentation. So you can go through all of this information and just get to know all the information regarding, visa and all of that. Okay. So this is for undergraduate study actually. So we can go look at the information for graduates as well, because in this school you can study for your undergraduate and graduate programs as well. So this is information for graduates, right? So the admission frequently asked questions is here, all the information you need, and you get to see the financial aid that is available to graduate students, how to apply and all of that. All the information is here. Okay, so let's look at deadlines. Very important. So for August, for the fall term, the application deadline is on May 1. And that is why you need to apply, as soon as possible. May 1 is the deadline if you want to join the fall term. So you need to really look into that. So this is the admission requirements for graduate programs. This is what you need. All right, so I guess you can go ahead to see all the information for yourself. The link is going to be in the description box. So do click the link, see what is here, and apply immediately. I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up. That is a like, so others that need this kind of information will get to see the video, all right? And also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.